Alright, so I'm ready to drill on this test piece of plexiglass. I have the, it's hard to see it because I took the plastic off. The plexiglass here, got my control panel, and I got it sandwiched inside. I got the piece of wood, the plexiglass, and then my control panel on top of that, so it's sandwiched inside. And I put some tape here because I took the plastic off the plexiglass, so I put some tape just to hopefully prevent cracking. Got my drill bit. I took the drill out. I don't need it because I'm going to be using my holes as like a guide. I'm going to be sticking it inside, you know, inside like a guide to guide me. So let's see how it goes. All right. You want to make sure you got it clamped good too, because otherwise, if it moves on you even a little bit, then your holes are not going to line up. So you got to make sure it's clamped down good. I probably would have used 2 more clamps, but this is just a test piece, so let's just see how it goes. And of course on a table, probably better than on the floor, but I'm just doing this test piece just to see. So I got it in my guide there. I'll start a little slowly, not too fast, but I'll... I think that's all it took. Yeah, it went through easily. Another piece here. Let's do all 6 and let's see how it turns out. This was still in there. There we go. So took it out. And it's not getting that hot, but if it's too hot and you're worried about melting, just let the piece just let this drill bit, you know, cool off. I don't think you want to spray water in here. You're going to damage the wood. Let's see how fast it comes out. There's another piece there. I'm not putting too much pressure, I'm just trying to go slow. It's a little hard to go slow with this drill. I'm trying to slow it down. Let's see if we can slow it down some more. Let's just finish these 6 holes and see how we get. One more hole to go. Last one. Nice piece. Alright, let's see how it looks. Take this clamps out. Test number 1. Let's see how it went. This is my control panel. Make sure I put that somewhere. Right there. This is the test piece. Take this tape out. That looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Let's see if it lines up. Alright, so it's a plex piece I just cut. These are my holes. Let's just see if it lights up, if it lines up. That looks pretty good. Right there. Looks pretty good. Let's test it with some buttons. And so it fits pretty good. Now you see over, I don't know if you can tell, but right over here, button won't go in because it didn't really For whatever reason, maybe it moved when I was cutting. It didn't cut this little portion out. It's just enough so that the button doesn't go in. So you can do two things. One, you can try to drill it again. Drill that part out. It's a little difficult, but or you can take a sharp razor blade and kind of just scratch it out carefully. I'll do that now. So I used the razor and I scraped off some of that little acrylic that was left over. Just enough. You don't have to do the whole thing. Just enough that the button fits through. So now the button goes in now. It's fine. So that's the test piece. That's not even right, straight. Gotta straighten it out. There we go. That's straight. So, then that's the test piece. It won't be dirty. It's dirty now because I took the protective sheeting off of this scrap piece. But the one I'm doing actually has the protective sheeting off. You don't take that off until you're ready to, use the plexi. So yeah, man, that's it. Looks pretty good.